This is just regular water, but like more bougie because it's in a Clinique bottle. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is an unboxing. If this sweater falls off the entire video, it's just gonna happen. I'm sorry, this thing is, I have bat wings on my sweater right now, and it is just gravity. You know what? I don't know. It's just trying to take my clothes off on camera. No big deal. So I am doing unboxings today of the regular BoxyCharm and then the BoxyCharm Premium. Now I already have a makeup look on, so we are not going to be trying these on, but I am going to unbox them for you, and who knows, may have a giveaway. But I don't know because I haven't actually opened them and I may like everything. That was just a big lie, but I might have a giveaway. So if you guys are unaware, BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription box that comes with, depending on your box, it comes with a certain amount of money for sure every month for $25 or $35 depending on the box that you want. I was told that you now do not need the original BoxyCharm and you can just have Boxy Premium, which is awesome. So if you guys are just interested in the Boxy Premium, I believe there's a wait list, but you don't have to have the original BoxyCharm subscription. I am still subscribed to both of them, so I do get them both, and I got them both on the same day, which never happens ever. So this is nice because I can just put them all in one video. So the first BoxyCharm, the original one, this is Candy Shop, the theme, and it's got blood, so I think they went like more Halloween vibey, which is nice. I haven't gotten one of these in so long for a regular BoxyCharm. It's always like in some nondescript email that I can never find and can't ever give you guys information. Because it's a YouTube channel, why would you want information? So let's go over these real quick. So the first thing is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting, is that right? Nesting Bitch Face. Nesting Bitch Face palette offers a beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and creamy glowing highlighters. Ooh, that sounds nice. I've liked all my Pretty Vulgar past items minus the primer that we did get in a box. This is, it's like glue, and it is really hard to use on your eyes, and it doesn't have like pigment. It's kind of clear, so it doesn't give you that nice opaque base. That right here is this little guy right here. Oh, smaller than I thought it'd be. Oh, ooh, that's nice. I love this blush. I am a blush whore. Let me just pop a little bit of this one right here, because this color is actually really beautiful, and it looks so much better with this look than whatever the hell blush I chose. Oh yeah, I think the pink blush that I used is just overpowering my face because that didn't work very well. The next is Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer, Acai Berry and Barago. So a moisturizer, can't go wrong with that. I have 5,000 current moisturizers, so I will probably put this in a giveaway. Let's see if we can get enough stuff to have a giveaway this video. Oh, by the way, the palette was $32 and that moisturizer was $69. Excuse me? $69. Okay, wait, does it have gold in it? Because why? We'll never know. It's in like one of those, you know, the Aesop tubes that are kind of like made out of metal and you can push them in and dent them and they look really folksy. Alright, the next is Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This is $40 and this is a cleansing exfoliant to use 2 to 3 times a week. Ooh, yes. Oh, God. Okay. I love these, and this is gigantic. Look how big that is, y'all. Holy crap. That thing is this is going to last me a very long time. I always love my face washes, so not giving this one away, unfortunately. Sorry, y'all. The next is Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted... Okay, we're going to zoom in and you guys tell me how to pronounce this. What is that? Kupuaku Lip Butter? Nice. This is $20, and this is a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of Kupuaku butter, acai, and coconut oils. Ooh, nice. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for your lip-loving benefits. Oh, it is tinted. Look, oh, it's such a, that's a pretty color. Let's see here. What's it look like on the back of my hand? Nothing. Looks like nothing. Not really a kiss of color. It smells like chocolate. Cool. I'm excited for this. Not putting that in a giveaway. The next is Hip Dot Color Changing Sponge Duo. So it expands to twice its size, and it's a color changing sponge. Oh, that's fun. Oh, there's two. Oh, wait, how much are you? $18. Look. Oh my gosh, yes. Under eye sponge, so cute. And then you can never have enough sponges ever. Come at me, bro. Okay, we're gonna wet this because I actually want to see the color that it changes to. How fun is that? This is just regular water, but like more bougie because it's in a Clinique bottle. So maybe this is a color changing sponge with different water temperatures, because this is just room temperature water, and it went from a light blue to a light blue. So it didn't change much. Why does that smell like coconut? Oh, it's my lip gloss. Just kidding. I was just smelling my own lips there. This is the box total for the regular BoxyCharm. Now let's go ahead and get into the Boxy Premium for this month. Okay, so that smells like feet. That's not good. What is it? Why does this smell like... Oh, okay, it's the styrofoam. Don't worry. I don't think any of the actual products smell like feet. So the first thing is Illuminati Cosmetics Illuminati X Issa Eyeshadow Palette. This is $48. This is collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for an this is... Can I read? No. For an ultra versatile palette, create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look. So there's pastels to bright colors and neutrals. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Let's take a look at this palette. I have never heard of this company before, so I actually don't know how this formula is. I'm very picky about my formulas. My mattes have to be super pigmented but super blendable. My shimmers have to be like foiled, super shimmery. Everything has to feel buttery. It's such an odd word to describe eyeshadow, but everyone does it. Everyone says buttery or velvety. Oh, okay. Well, that's kind of cute. Ooh, Purple Dream looks beautiful. So I think what I'm going to actually do is put this palette in the giveaway. So yes, this is a giveaway video because there is now 2 items. That's plenty. This actually I really want to touch and swatch because that one looks beautiful. That's a duochrome. That's blue, like aqua. Oh, it might be a multi-chrome actually. It's like a light blue to an aqua to a teal to a purple. That's lovely. But also there's a pressed glitter over there. See it right there? So I'm going to go ahead and put this in a giveaway. The next item is Kosas Color and Light Palette, Cream Blush and Highlight. Ooh, I've been getting really into cream blushes and highlighters because I've been trying to do this whole glowy, freckly skin kind of look lately, and I'm obsessed. So this is $34. It's called 8th Muse. Ooh, I actually, I think that might be too pink for me. Yeah, that's a little too pink for me. So I think what I'm going to do is also put this in the giveaway. If you guys can see, there's a little bit of condensation on this blush here when you get it. It just looks like it was a little bit warm in the package and it just had a little bit of condensation because it is a cream blush and highlighter, so that's normal. It happens to a lot of lipsticks too. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway as well, so there is now 3 items. I just don't really look good in pink. Can you guys see my cheeks right now? It doesn't look good on me because it's pink. I chose the wrong color for this look. Just ignore my face. The next thing is Go To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. Swipey? Okay. Single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution to get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. I think I'll keep these. An exfoliating swipey is a must-have in your skincare routine. But it has to specifically be a swipey or it doesn't count. So here is what they're... Ooh, there's a lot of them. I actually have these that I am currently using that I got from Influencer. Gifted, got it free, hashtag Influencer. So they're kind of the same thing, and they don't have the word swipey on it, so I guess I'm not going to use them anymore because swipies are way more cool. These are $35. The next thing is Murad Hydrating Toner. Yes, I just ran out of my toner. Sorry, I'm excited. I'm not getting rid of this. I also just realized I've been on the side and not in the middle this whole time. Whatever. And this is $35. It's alcohol-free, instantly balances skin natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. So, it's just, you know, your average toner. A lot of Murad products. Wow, not even mad. But I actually just ran out of my toner, so this is freaking perfect. The next thing is Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. $20. Ooh, I do enjoy a good brow pencil. Let's see what this looks like. This is really, really tiny. And yeah, that's a good color for my brows. So I'm excited about this, not giving it away, sorry. The last thing is Laura Gellar 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. And this is $21. And this is in the shade Make Out Merlot. Okay. And this is a really beautiful berry shade, and I will be putting this in the giveaway. I don't need any more lip products. Let's go over the box total for Boxy Premium, and then I will quickly show you guys what I'm putting in the giveaway. So you guys will be getting this Illuminati x Issa palette. Issa? So there's the palette. I really wish I could just swatch Purple Dream, but I'll contain myself. The next is this Grown Alchemist Moisturizer. The next is the Kosas Color and Light Cream Blush and Highlighter Palette. And then the last thing is the Laura Gellar New York 50 Kisses in the shade Make Out Merlot. So you guys will be getting 4 items in this giveaway. I'm going to end this in 3 weeks, so let's go ahead and say that I get this up today or tomorrow. Let's just end it on Halloween, shall we? On Halloween, I will announce the winner in a pinned tweet. Now, the only thing you have to do to enter is let me know your favorite item out of the entire unboxing today. On top of that, just be subscribed to me, but have your subscriptions on public so I can see that you're actually subscribed. You will have 24 hours after I notify you through the contact details you leave me in a comment. And then if you don't respond within 24 hours, I'm going to be picking a new winner. So that is all I have for this video, you guys. I will have all of the information for the giveaway linked below, as well as all the BoxyCharm items and the box prices. I also have a referral link if you guys are interested in BoxyCharm. It is a really fun service to be a part of. You either get stuff you can't live without, you find holy grails, or you're like, that was okay, but you know, you didn't pay full price for it anyway, so it's totally cool. So that's all I have for this video, you guys. Enter the giveaway if you want to. You don't have to. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!